How to send a payment request on PayPal. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our PayPal application here in our mobile device. Then you can see here send and request button. So click on the request button and enter the name or the email address of the person that you would be requesting the payment from. So for example, I'm going to type in the email address since it would be easier to look to. And afterwards, I'm gonna click on the person's name and enter the amount that I would be requesting from her. Next is you could also add some emoji or a note in your request payment option. So I'm gonna add an emoji here and simply click on review afterwards and hit on request now. And there you have it. You have successfully requested the amount on your PayPal. That's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.